I hope you like all the videos that I uploaded. Ha? Sana nagustuhan niyo yung mga series na yon. At kung mapapansin niyo, iba't iba yung cases or situation of their ages. Sinadya kong piliin yung magkakaibang sitwasyon ah, to serve as your reference in solving other problems. So this time, iba na naman ulit ito. Iba na naman uling senaryo. Okay. Sabi dyan, the sum of the ages of Geraldine and Jasmine is 55. Twice the age of Geraldine 11 years ago is one less than the age of Jasmine 7 years ago. What are their ages now? Ito yung pagkakaiba. Hindi natin alam dito kung sino ang mas bata. Therefore, sino magiging X? How can we construct the relationship in terms of uh, the algebraic expression that is appropriate with their ages? So, mahirap yun. Hindi natin alam kung sino mas matanda. Ito ang technique dyan. Pag hindi nyo alam ang mas matanda o mas bata. Okay. Dahil hindi natin alam ang kanilang ages, hindi natin alam ang age ni Geraldine, hindi rin natin alam ang age ni Hasmin o ni Jasmine. So, let X. Ayan. Let X be the age of Geraldine. And let Y be the age of Jasmine. Ganyan na lang ang ating gagawin. Di ito yung age nila now. Ages now. Okay. Yan ang edad nila ngayon. And then, may sinasabi rito, ilalagay lang natin to carefully. Sabi doon, twice the age of Geraldine, 11 years ago. So, ano ang magiging edad ni Geraldine 11 years ago? Kung ngayon si Geraldine ay X, ang age niya ay X minus 11, okay? X minus 11 be the age of Geraldine 11 years ago. Okay, so ganon. And then, ano pa sinabi? Is one less than the age of Jasmine 7 years ago. So dun muna natin, ang kinukuha muna natin yung kanilang ages noong nakalipas na panahon. Ito yung age ni Geraldine, 11 years ago. Ano naman ang age ni Jasmine? 7 years ago. Kung ang age niya ngayon ay Y, therefore, minus 7 be the age of Jasmine 7 years ago. Dahil ago, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag kami nababanggit na ago at future, doon tayo gagawa ng equation. Okay, para maisiksik yung mga naaanyang mga information, mag-umpisa na agad tayo na mag-compare. I-compare natin ang age ni Geraldine sa age ni Jasmine. Gagawa ulit tayo ng X minus 11 equals Y minus 7. Again, this is not yet true, pero gagawin natin true ang equal sign. Dapat ang left side should be equal to right side. Magagawa natin yan sa pagkuha pa natin ng ibang detalye. Twice the age of Geraldine, 11 years ago. So anong gagawin sa edad ni Geraldine? Ganun lang kasimple yun. Malinaw naman, twice the age of Geraldine, 11 years ago. So, ito i-multiply na ng 2. Yan ang twice the age of Geraldine 11 years ago. And then is one less than the age of Jasmine. Mas mababa pa raw ng isang taon. Pagka i-multiply mo ang age ni Geraldine nung say 11 years ago, pag minultiply natin yun ng 2 ay mas maliit pa raw yon ng 1-year-old sa edad naman ni Jasmine, 7 years ago. Ang tanong ko ngayon ganito, paano natin gagawin yan? Okay? Less than. Hindi sila alin ang mas lamang ng 1 taon? Eto, 'di ba? Eto ang lamang, si Jasmine lamang ng 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 1 taon. Okay, ito, sabi diyan, twice the age of Geraldine 11 years ago is one less than. May ma-minusin. May ma-minusin tayo diyan sa dalawang expression na 'yan. Okay, sino ma-minusin natin? Gano'n ang nag-iisip sa problem. Okay, ito daw ay mas mababa pa ng 1 taon kung ating imo-multiply ang age ni Geraldine 11 years ago, imo-multiply natin ng 2, mababa pa raw yun ng 1 taon. Dalawa ang pwede natin gawin. Ibig sabihin, mababa ito, less than 1 ito. Doon. Dalawa ang pwede natin gawin. Dagdagan ko ito ng 1, equal na sila. Di ba? Kasi mababa raw ito ng 1 taon eh. O di dagdagan ko ito ng 1. Pero para huwag kayong ma-confuse, ang ginamit yan ay less, which is minus. So practically, ito na lang ang minusin ko ng 1. Kasi lamang ito na 1 taon. Pag minus ko yun ng 1, totoo na ito. Correct na siya. Ayun. Meron na tayo ngayong working equation. We can now solve for the value of x. Let us simplify. So that will be 2x minus 22 equals y minus 8. Okay, ilagay natin ang constant lahat doon. So, additive inverse, okay, plus 22. Okay, so that will be, ito eliminated, and that is y. 22 minus 8 is, ilan ang ating sign doon? This is equal to positive 14. Ayan, positive 14. And then, tanggalin natin yung ating y doon. Okay. Ating ayusin to. Ating ayusin. So that will be 2x negative y equals 14. Ito yung ating equation na gagamitin. Okay, dahil magkaiba sila ng variable, kailangan pa tayo makakuha ng isa pa na 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 equation. Anong sabi doon? The sum of the ages of Geraldine and Jasmine is 55. Eto yon. Pag daw pinagsama natin ito, okay, that is x plus y equals, okay, that is 55. This is our equation number 1, and this will be our equation number 2. Ayun na. And then, pagsasamahin natin, we will solve the system of linear equation. Okay, system because we have now two different linear equation having two variables. So, ilagay natin to 2x minus y equals 14. Okay, ito yung ating equation number 2. And then let us simplify. Okay, eliminated. And then this is 3x equals, ilan ito? That is 69. And then, let us cancel the coefficient of x by multiplying both sides by 1/3 or simply divide them by 3. Okay, so x equals, okay, that is 23. Okay, 23 years old. Kaninong age yan, yung x? Ayan, kay Geraldine. Okay, 23 years old. Okay, 23 years old, and this is the age of Geraldine. Paano natin makukuha yung ating age naman ni Jasmine? Ang kay Jasmine ay y. Kuhanin natin yung equation number 1. That is X plus Y equals 55. Ayun, 55. Kung si Jasmine, kung si Geraldine ay 23, okay, 23 plus Y equals 55. Therefore, si Jasmine ay 55 minus 23. Therefore, 32. Therefore, the age of Jasmine is 32. Okay, let us check using our equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Oh, Cecil. Okay. So, ayan. So, kung si Jasmine ay okay, kung si Geraldine now is 23 and Jasmine now is 32, their sum is 55. Correct? Okay, how about the other scenario that is being mentioned in our problem? Sabi doon, twice the age of Geraldine 11 years ago. So what should be the age of Geraldine 11 years ago? If today, Geraldine is 23, 23, okay, 11 years ago, she was 12, 12 years old. Okay, ito si Geraldine. And if Jasmine is 32, 32, ang age niya 7 years ago ay siyempre, bawasan natin ng 7. So that will be 25. Okay, itong 25 na ito yung age ni Jasmine. Okay, tama ba? Pag daw dinoble ang edad ni Geraldine, pag dinoble natin yung age ni Geraldine 11 years ago, ayun ay 24. Samantalang ang age ni Jasmine 7 years ago ay 25. Ito yung kay Jasmine. Totoo ba? Ayun ang sabi. Twice the age of Geraldine is 11 years ago is 1 less than tama. Mababa ng 1 taon. Kahit padoblehin mo ang edad ni Geraldine, ay mababa pa rin yun ng 1 taon sa edad ni Jasmine 7 years ago. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so these are the answer. Okay, I hope you like it. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung mga series of problems about word problems uh, involving ages, please do subscribe and support me to my journey in this platform. Thank you very much and God bless you all.